Yeah.
She'll be 5 months on the 2nd.
Hey, where are we going? So do you shorten her name at all?
We don't. Yeah, no, we've been calling her Gabrielle.
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 Where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Who are you looking at?
Where's Mama?
Are you looking at Janice?
Probably my color of my shirt.
That's a beautiful shirt. I love that.
Right. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, sweetheart. We have to go. You guys have to go.
Uh-oh. Gabrielle, we're being told we have to go play the game.
We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
This is funny.
We gotta go.
We're having a ball. This is good.
Yeah.
We gotta go.
If you start crying outside, I'm going to put this video on YouTube and show it to the whole office and say, oh, Dave, it's your fault because we had to go outside. Yeah.
Yeah, listen to her.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Gabrielle, can you give me a look real quick?
Where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Can you give me a look real quick?
There's Mama.
Oh, say hi, everybody. I did not mean to cry at the picnic. I'm usually very happy like this. Yeah, but I just got off of a long flight. I deserve to have a bad morning once in a while. Okay, say bye-bye.